Kubor naga Khlem jong Nongtrei Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission kabadi ka Treikam hapo ka Sarkar Jilla ban penya ya jing thungkam ha ka Jilla kala Treikam Bynta la Palat san Snem Khlem ki kindon na ka Bynta ki Nongtrei lani service rule khnang ba ka jing Treikam kan long ka bayai renti ka kinhon menteri menta ka sngi ka artrik unailar arajar arpulai kala ajing menjur ban donno ka service rules na ka Bynta ki Nongtrei ke Mpsc habaya tho ya kani sekilat pathai kubor hadin ka jingyalang jong ka kinhon menteri rangba ka jilla konrad konggal sangma ulaong baka kinhon menteri kala ajing menjur ban donno ki kindon lajong na ka Bynta ki Nongtrei ke Mpsc namar baro sikata de ki Snem ki kindon kimdon na ka Bynta ki Nongtrei ke Mpsc ulaong hagini ki Snem balalej nado arajar khatpra kiran bon tili ki Treikam ke Sarkar Jilla ki bempat don ke service rule haga ba ke Sarkar Jilla kala penbit penbiang khnang ba ki Nongtrei kindon la ki jong ki kindon Treikam ukonrat ulayat horu ba ke kinhon menteri kala ajing menjur ban penkela katto ka ni ki Bynta hapo ka an Meghalaya Medical Council Act namar baro sikata kadang don ka kintin Medical Council of India hapo ka ni ka an bat minta jika Medical Council of India la penkela syaka National Medical Commission. Ula ongru baya ka jing penkela jika Meghalaya Medical Council Act lawan ra bahkan Treikam shwa the ordinance.
The first was the agenda of the service rules of the Mpsc. As you're aware that the Mpsc has been functional for decades, but it did not have service rules for the employees out there, and hence today in the cabinet we have finally cleared the service rules of the Mpsc. The same time there was a very minor amendment that had to be made in the Meghalaya Medical Council Act of 1987. As you're aware that earlier there used to be what we call the Medical Council of India, MCI. And in the Meghalaya Medical Council Act, the word MCI was still there, but as you're aware, the MCI has been changed and now it is the National Medical Commission, and that particular word had to be amended in the Act of the Meghalaya Medical Council Act, and that amendment has been today proposed through an ordinance, and that was cleared today by the Cabinet. And then there were other issues that were there, which of course we could not clear because there were some discussions and more clarity was required. So those were deferred. So hence I will not be mentioning about those particular cases. Every department has service rules which determine the different things of aspects of promotion and the different posts and all the different procedures that are followed. Basic service rules which are there in every department. Mpsc was functioning without service rules for the last many decades. In fact, many departments have been functioning without service rules for many decades. In the last 5 years, in the first term of this government, and now in continuing, we have made extra effort to ensure that the Mpsc rules are, the service rules are there in place for all the departments, and in line with that particular objective, the Mpsc rules, finally the service rules have been notified today.